Hey guys, it's Katie. What I'm going to show you in this video is how to create a logo in a simple way. So let's go ahead and get started. The platform that I personally use for creating logos, for basically anything, any course that I'm doing online or anything that I need a logo for, I use Canva. So if you don't have a Canva account, go ahead and create one. It's a free account. They do have images and things like that they sell, but you can definitely create a logo for free if you would like to create it for free, unless you like some kind of image or something that you want to add to your logo that you can pay like $1 for it or whatever you need to pay for it. If you need a link to Canva, just go ahead and click the link below, or simply go to canva.com and go ahead and create an account. If you haven't yet. If you do have an account, go ahead and log in, and I will go ahead and show you how to create a logo in a simple and a quick way. So the first thing that we're going to do is type in logo right here and just click enter, and it is going to open for us a blank document where we can where we are going to be creating our logo. So as you can see, we have a few different templates that they give us. Actually, not a few, quite a lot of templates that we can use for our own logo. So let's go ahead and choose one of these templates here. Alright, so I will go ahead and choose this template here and just go ahead and type in my course name that I am creating this logo for. Let's make it a little smaller. So let's do this and just turn it a little. So if we want to get rid of this part, we just click on delete element, and then we can also make this smaller. Okay, we can also add an image to this logo here. So to do that, what we're going to do is click on elements and just type in whatever image you want to add to your logo. So I will go ahead and type in blueprint and just grab this image, for example, and see how it's going to look. There we go. The logo has been created. Obviously, if I want to edit and add some things or remove some things, I can definitely do that. But this is basically how easy and simple it is to create a logo in Canva. Again, if you want to go ahead and create your logo in Canva, go ahead and either go to canva.com or check out the link below this video. So what I'm going to do next is I will edit the name here and just download it to my computer. There's an option to choose a transparent background here. So if I want it transparent, I will check here and just click on download. Alright, so I will just drag this to my desktop, and what I will do with this specific logo is add it to my membership site, and I'll just go ahead and show you. If I personally use Kartra for my membership sites, but if you are not using Kartra, that's totally fine. And obviously you can add this image, this logo, anywhere you need to add it to. But I will just go ahead and show you how I upload this image to my membership site. So I'd click on back here, and then I would click on change and click on this icon here, and just choose my logo and click open. So, and then just click confirm. Alright, so that's it. I have, added to my membership site, but obviously you can add your logo anywhere you need to add it to or where you need to add it to. I would also recommend you another tool that I use for my online business, and it's basically all-in-one tool that I use to build an online business with. So, and it's Kartra. If you haven't heard about Kartra, you can go ahead and check out the link below this video and learn more about it. You can do email marketing with Kartra, page creation, a funnel creation, automations, creating membership sites, setting up your own products and selling that. Promoting affiliate offers also. We have an affiliate a promo section here where we can promote different affiliate offers to your list or to your audience. You can do so many things with Kartra. You can host videos. You have calendars here, help desks, campaigns that you can create and share with others, like with your team members. If you have a high converting funnel and you want to share it with your team members or with your clients, you can basically share it with them, and they will be able to access it in their own Kartra account once you share the special code with them. So you can do so many things with Kartra. Obviously, you see all your analytics. You see, where the sales are coming from. You can do tracking with it. You can see exactly in what period of time how many sales you made and how many leads you got, and everything that you basically need to run an online business is within Kartra. So if you want to check it out, go ahead and check out the link below this video. I do provide special bonuses for you guys who do decide to get Kartra through my link that's below this video. So you'll be able to check out or to see the page where I talk about my bonuses as well. So check that out as well. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and you know exactly how to create a logo with Canva. And it's not only a logo that you can create with Canva, you can actually create any kind of image, any kind of design you want, like basically anything you want with Canva here. So you don't even need like Photoshop or anything like that. You can simply use canva.com to create any kind of image you need for your business. Either it is an ad or a logo, an infographic, a brochure, like basically anything you need for your business you can create and design within Canva as far as design goes. And as far as setting up your business and running your business, Kartra would be the absolute best solution in my opinion, and my top recommendation for you guys to go with. So go ahead and check out the links below this video if you want to check either Canva, Kartra, or my other trainings, as well as connect with me on social media platforms. You can see all of this below this video, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye. Blessings.